Hello everybody, my name is Valentina and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and sometimes skincare. So if that is something that may interest you, please consider subscribing. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a makeup that I've been doing a lot lately because it's been so insanely hot in the UK and I wasn't able to wear any foundation. I was barely able to put on my skincare. This is a no foundation makeup routine. I know I have breakouts. I had to learn to embrace my skin and I'm still self-conscious of the breakouts and the imperfections that I have on my skin, but I'm living with those, I'm dealing with those. Hopefully they're gonna go soon, but when it comes to skin, is not a sprint, is a marathon, so we have to be patient. I want the skin to be able to breathe, and then it's been very hot and then I'm wearing a mask anyway, so there's not really a point. I think that I do still wear when even if I'm wearing a mask, not every single time, but like sometimes I do like to wear a nice lipstick. I do wear lip tints. Let me know in the comments down below what would you like to see next, and let's crack on. If you've been following me in there for a while, if you've been with me for a while, you know that for me skincare is very, very important. If you sort out your skincare, the rest will come automatically. It will be much easier to figure out what works for your skin and what doesn't. Let's crack on with the makeup. I'm just gonna cover my under eye. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow, no cream, no nothing. I just leave the eyelid as it is. My eyelid is quite pigmented, so that is gonna work as a sort of an eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a waterproof product for my eyebrows and we're gonna do mascara. I'm gonna set the under eye with a powder, with a translucent powder, and then even if I'm not wearing any foundation, in a very delicate way, I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer and blush and highlighter on my cheeks. As a concealer, I'm using the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. This is not the color that you would use to highlight under your eyes. That is really just the amount of concealer that I'm gonna use. This concealer specifically, a little bit goes a long way and it really does cover, but I do like it because it's not heavy on the skin. If you blend it very, very nicely, it's really just gonna look like you've been sleeping very well. And then if I see that I do need more, I can always add. Just remember that when it comes to makeup, add slowly because you're always in time to add, but then to take off the excess is always a bit of a pain, and sometimes you just have to wipe everything off and then start again. I'm gonna set the under eye. For the under eye, I'm using the Pixi by Petra Flawless Finish powder, and this is translucent. Just a tiny bit, just wanna set. For the eyebrows, I'm using the Line and Define Brow Duo, and this is actually a Primark product. If you haven't watched my Primark video, I'm gonna leave, I think it's gonna be on this side, is a video where I'm doing my makeup with just Primark products, and there are some products that are actually very, very good. I'm not gonna do very structured eyebrows, but I still want them to be quite full. So I'm gonna start from the arches always, and the marker side in particular, I do like it because it's very waterproof. Even with the oil cleanser, I'm not saying that I struggled to take it off, but it did take me a minute, and normally with the oil cleanser everything comes off very nice and quickly. I finally found something new to watch on Netflix. I watched the whole season of Skin Choice, and that one is about plastic surgery, but they show you that like they're not doing plastic surgery like these people that are going. It's not just out of vanity. It's really like about overcoming fears and insecurities. The results are so natural and they're so beautiful, and the stories of these people are so inspiring. I did cry a couple of times watching this program, and I'm watching the second season of The Umbrella Academy, To be honest, I just finished watching the first one and I started today with the second season because when it first came out, it was just too confusing for me. So it took me a moment to like it. I can finally have my eyebrows matching a little bit more. Like if you look at the tail here, it's as thick as this one more or less, and it's because like with this one I can really draw the hair and make it look natural. You can touch your eyebrows and it's not gonna smudge or anything like that. It's very nice. For the rest of my face, as I said, I'm embracing my acne. It's getting better slowly, very, very slowly, but it is getting better. So I just have to be patient to give like a very subtle dimension. So I'm using this Sephora product. This is called Shimmer Bronzing Powder. And this one has all like the blush and the bronze color. I'm really like a swirl around and then on top of the excess. And then I'm really just, I'm like dabbing it on my cheeks. I know that it looks like it's making no difference at the moment, but it's really like, it's so subtle. It's just giving a little bit of dimension. As a highlighter, I'm just gonna put a touch again, just to give a little bit of dimension to the cheeks. And I'm using the creamy highlighter. This is by Benefit and this is the WhatsApp highlighter. Just a touch. And I give them a good curl. Can you see the difference just with curling the eyelashes? As mascara, I'm using my beloved L'Oreal Bambi Eye False Lashes. Elongates, gives volume, but it doesn't do spider lashes, which is something that I do not like. I don't cover this part, although it's quite red because I have allergies and I'm blowing my nose every 5 seconds, so there's not really a point for me to go and like put extra cover there, and it's gonna come off anyway. But if you want, you can like put a touch just here. Actually, I'm gonna do it anyway so you can see it. I'm putting, because then I think in video it sort of exaggerates because of the light. In real life it's not this visible. Anyway, I'm putting like 3 dots like this, and I'm gonna do the same here. And this red part of my nose, that's something that again I learned how to deal with it, because if you have allergies, you just know that you're gonna have a few months where you're gonna look like Rudolph the reindeer. It's okay. And then I'm going to set very lightly. For the lips, I'm using a lip tint. Nu Skin has a makeup line. It's called Nu Color, and this is one of their liquid lipstick. Is the Power Lips. It's called Power Lips Fluid. That is the liquid lip line. This is a matte, and this is in the color Perfection. This color is absolutely great for an everyday makeup. Or I stocked up on this color because it's a great color for brides, for example. A great thing about this liquid lipstick is that first of all, they don't bleed, and when they set they're very, very long lasting, and you don't really need to line your lips. The applicator is very tiny. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super, super tiny, so it's very easy to line your lip with it, and then you just fill in the rest of your lip. I want to be overboard with the top lip, but I'm kind of taking it. Instead of using a setting spray, I'm using the thermal water. So I got the Avent thermal water. This is so refreshing, And this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. A very easy, very quick makeup without talking. It literally takes me 5 minutes to do it. What I do love about it is that it's long lasting. You have the waterproof eyebrows. When it comes to mascara, I don't really have any problems with non-waterproof mascaras. On me, they don't really smudge or anything. I never experienced anything like that. The only thing is why when it's a very dry mascara, it crumbs and goes on my under eye, but it's not the case with this one. While my under eyes, they're nice and set. With this concealer, I don't really have creasing problems in the short period. Obviously, if it's a makeup that I'm gonna have on for like 12 hours, at one point I will have it creased. That is pretty much it. If you want any more information about the new skin products, just contact me on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the little bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video once a week. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye!